What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a double kickflip. So I filmed this video in the basement last night, but I feel like videos in the basement are just so depressing and the snow has finally melted. So I decided I would refilm this video out here. So before you learn how to do a double flip, you need to know how to do a kickflip, but that's the problem. Because once you learn how to do a kickflip, it gets so ingrained in your muscle memory and your back foot just wants to catch it every time. But the key to the double flip is to just let it continue to flip without catching it with your back foot. But the key to the double flip is just to let it continue to flip without catching it with your back foot. So the key to this trick is sucking your feet up and just letting the board continue to flip. It's really hard once you're good at kickflips. There are two tricks that are really ingrained in my muscle memory that I can do without thinking. That's an ollie and a kickflip. So to do this trick, you want to have your back foot right on the tip of the tail, and you want to have your front foot in a kickflip position, but maybe hang your heel off a little bit more, maybe even point it a little bit more, because that's going to give you a faster flick, and you want to flick this as hard and fast as you can. So all you're doing is popping straight down with your back foot, dragging your front foot up right off that corner pocket and flicking it twice as hard as you would for a kickflip. And then it's all in your back foot, trying to mentally keep your back foot up and not letting it stop the board from flipping, but stay up over the board. So practice just hovering over the board, jumping over the board, staying over the bolts. It's kind of like relearning a kickflip. It's like really learning to stay over the board in the air without putting your feet down prematurely. I did this in the basement last night holding the camera, but let's see if I can do a double flip and just kind of catch it with the front foot while holding the camera. This is a different lens. It's a little more zoomed in. When I was about 15, I could do double flips and triple flips. I was about the same height I am now and 140 pounds. Right now, I'm about 220 pounds, which is 80 pounds heavier while being the same height. I'm going to try to get down to 140 again. I've been running every night, and once I do that, I feel like my skating is really going to improve. Now that it's warmer and the snow has melted a little bit, I can definitely get out and do more skateboarding and make more videos outside. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.